Look, my jellies are going out on me. It's so sad. It's unfortunate. My jellies went out. Anywho, okay. This is Irish sea moss that comes in its pure form before it's manufactured. So I wanted to try manufacturing it myself. So I need to do it because I've been in a lot of pain the last few days, and I've actually noticed like such a huge difference from like times when I use the sea moss compared to when I don't. So tonight you guys are gonna watch me prepare this so that I can make it into a gel to be used for smoothie. The first thing we're gonna do is fill up a bowl with some water, and we're gonna squeeze some lime juice in it to take out that earthy taste, or like, you know, ocean-like taste to the sea moss. We're gonna let the sea moss sit overnight, and by tomorrow it should be very neutral, have no scent, have no taste. I actually haven't smelled it yet. Ooh, I mean, it's not all that bad. It kind of smells like, strangely enough, like a wood. Like a wood scent, if you know what that's like. Yeah. It's not the worst. It's not that bad. So that's pretty much it. I ended up not really speaking the whole time because I had my laundry going and I didn't want you guys to hear that in the background, but it's super simple. The manufacturing process of sea moss, basically you just take the organic substance and you put it in a bowl of water, preferably water that's high in pH, and that's as simple as putting a key lime in your water. That naturally raises the pH levels, but if you have another form of water that is high in pH, that's definitely preferred. So high pH water, put this key lime in there. If you don't have key lime, you can also use Meyer lemon. But for the most part, you just let that sit overnight. Some people will let it sit for 2 hours and then manufacture the gel. And when you manufacture the gel, all that means is putting the this lovely concoction. When you put the sea moss into a blender and you just blend it up until it's a super, super smooth consistency, like a gel form basically. It's like, well, it's just super smooth, and then you put it in the fridge overnight into like a glass mason jar, twist that baby on, let it sit, and then it becomes a gel from sitting in the refrigerator. So yeah, I have been dying to do this because, like I said, I can tell a major difference already just from being on the sea moss for only 1 week, the difference between how I feel when I take it and when I don't take it. So I wanted to try a sea moss that came in its natural form rather than already being processed down into a gel, just to see if there's any difference in how I feel, the potency of it, all of that. Tomorrow morning I will show you guys what my sea moss looks like in its bowl. It will probably have expanded a lot, so when you put your water in the bowl, leave a little bit of room because it will end up growing, it will expand, and then in the morning we can go over the ways that you blend it down, but you just want to be conscious about how much water you put in your sea moss when you are manufacturing it, because you cannot take water out, but you can always add more, and you don't want your sea moss gel to be very watery because that just doesn't sound appealing. It just probably is not very good. So yeah, I can't wait to get onto this and get back on my sea moss journey. But yeah, I'm doing like okay. I wasn't great this morning. We had a rainy day, and that always affects how I feel. The weather definitely can make me feel more arthritic like and whatnot if we have a day that's overcast. I'm definitely feeling that. Also, I've just been going through a lot and it's been physically weighing on me. So yeah, can't wait to get back on my regimen and get my strength and my energy back, and hopefully see some more reduction in inflammation. And I showed you guys this middle knuckle. I know the tattoo, you just gotta look past it. You know, I was 21, everybody makes mistakes. I'm just kidding. But yeah, my middle knuckle has gone down since using the sea moss, and that is just like, wow, what a testament. What a testament. All right, love you guys. Until next time, see you in the morning.